Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Glad to meet you again. Now we're talking about present perfect. Present perfect. It is confusing. We are confused with the present perfect. Present perfect or past tense. When we look at the name, it is present. Present means in the present time, now. Okay, so when we past tense is for past action and it's already stopped at the time of speaking. The present perfect is different from past tense. Well, now let's see the present perfect function. The present perfect functions is to express actions happen at an unspecified time. At an unspecified time means we do not know the exact time. What we know is the action has occurred, has happened. We do not know the exact time. Therefore, it is called to express actions happened at an unspecified time in the past. How to form the present perfect? Let's see here. He has gone to campus. She has gone to campus. It has happened. When we want to make a sentence with the present perfect, of course, we put subject. He, she, it. Okay, he, so they are the subject. And after subject, the characteristics of the present perfect is we need to put has as the auxiliary verbs. He has. And after has, we put gone. Gone is the present perfect, or it is called verb 3. Verb 1, verb 2, verb 3. Verb 1 is present verb. Verb 2 is past verb for past tense, and verb 3 is the present perfect. Present perfect we use here. We use gone. And gone is from the verb go. See here? It's go, went, gone. And he has gone means that we use this one. We must not use he has go, he has went. No, we cannot say that. He has gone, verb 3. The use of verb 3 is also applied for negative. We'll talk about it later. And then the subject I, we, you, they, we use have. He, she, and it use has, but the subject I, we, you, and they use have. Still, the verb is present perfect verb. It is gone. We must know how to form the irregular verb. It is the irregular verb. There are the list for irregular verbs. Okay, and for negative, the examples I give you here is the positive sentences, and negative is like this. She has not gone. We just write not here after the auxiliary has. Okay, she has not. We just put here not. He has not gone. Put not here. The interrogative sentence is put has in front of the sentence, like we do on other tenses such as present progressive, present simple, and the last one is a present future. We just put has in front of the sentence. It is the same as we use have. It is the same as this one. When we want to put when we want to use the negative sentences, just put not here. Not. I have not. We have not. You have not. They have not. And the verbs are still same. Use this the third verb, verb 3. And the interrogative sentence put have in front of the sentence. We have not gone, and the interrogative sentence is have we gone, have we gone, have they gone? Okay, just put have in front of the sentence. Here is he has not gone. Has he gone? Has she gone? Interrogative. And has it happened? For interrogative. It is simple, easy. This is number 1. Actions happen at an unspecified time in the past. The exact time is not important. The exact time is not important. What the important thing for present perfect is the action. The actions already happened before now at an unspecified time in the past. The exact time is not important. Exact time is not important, okay? It's not important. It's not important in the present perfect. Just to express an action. The action has already happened. And the next functions of present perfect is to show the repetition and also to show the duration. An action happened in the past, an action began in the past, but still in progress at the time of speaking. The present perfect is expressing the action began in the past, but it is still in progress at the time of speaking. Don't worry, I will tell you about those functions of the present perfect. That's it for the present perfect, the first function. See you again next time. Good luck. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.